Term 1312 Project 1 Review. For my project, I did just kind of a list of different guns from Call of Duty Ghosts, but just kind of snatched up the names and some of the details about them from the game, and just called it a gun inventory. This isn't all of them. I just grabbed enough to meet the requirements. Actually, I have 22 total, just to make it kind of even. And everything works the way it's supposed to. You click on the one, it takes you to the detailed view. You can click on any of the ones you want. Says a little bit about them. Some of you who might play the game, I've made up the fire rate for for all of these. Really, I just kind of tossed them in there because like most of the assault rifles are all fully automatic, and that's just kind of silly. So I think the only one that I actually kept right from that are accurate are the shotguns. But I wanted to add each at least an image for each gun, but I couldn't. That was going a little too far for me to get that done in order for the project due date. And one weird little thing, I can't figure out why the images here are all kind of different sizes. If I go into delete mode and then come back, they're all the same size except the ones that aren't viewable there. And then it all gets all weird again when they come back. I haven't quite figured out what the deal is with that, and I just kind of threw my hands up and said, I'll figure that out later. Delete does work. You can take it out, and it's actually gone. All the data is accurate for whichever one you click on, regardless of where it is in the list. That part wasn't all that difficult. You can go ahead and take out any of the ones you want. They're just gone. Yeah. Oh, one little thing I noticed after I turned the project in, my icon and splash screen both have a transparent background. So instead of being white, and so that's why you can't really see what the icon is, nor the splash screen when it loads up. So yeah, those are kind of some of the things I could have done better. One thing that really bothers me is how much typing I had to do. Look at all of that for all the details. 22 different guns that all have different something to say. And I know there's really no other way around it, but I think I could have used a dictionary to accomplish, instead of this giant if else if blah 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 blah, instead of this giant thing, I think if I had compressed all of all of the details into a dictionary, I think I could have looped through the dictionary looking for the particular item that the user selected. If I could have implemented that, that would have been the more elegant solution, I think, because this to me isn't right. But that, coupled with my weird image sizes and the fact that I goofed the icon image and splash screen, those are the list of things that I think I could have done a little better on this one. But other than that, it all works the way it's supposed to, and I feel really good about this one. I like where we're heading with iOS, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Thanks.